Hi, welcome back. This is video 3 of how to change your listening library in your classroom from a CD disk operated one to a QR code. So basically now we have all our MP3 files up in the Google Drive. So this video is going to show you how to get a QR code generator, how to generate the code, and how to save it as an image so that you can use it on labels later on, so that you can put those labels on your books, and then the kids just scan it with your device and takes them right to the audio file. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see what I'm looking at. I am on my Google home screen, and if you have a home page that goes to some other site, like mine usually goes to my school site, the shortcut to get here that I like the best is this little rainbow box with the word apps by it. If you click that, it quickly loads it for me, and I am ready to go. Next, we need to show you how to get these QR codes into your apps here. Basically, you're going to go to the web store. It has an icon that looks like this. It may be your first one, or it might be somewhere else on your Google app page. So I'm going to click on the web store. As soon as I do that, it's going to load the main page of the App Store. And my cursor is already in the search box. I'm going to type in QR code, and it has generator already there. And now it's going to pull up the generators. I have 2 already added, so I have these green banners. If you've not added any, you're not going to have the green banners, and you're going to have a blue box over here that says Add to Chrome. I liked this first one, so go ahead and add it. There's no cost. These are free. So Add to Chrome. And when you do that, you're going to be able to see it back on your apps page. So I'm going to go back here to my rainbow box and get back to my app page. Now I have my code generator right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the icon, and it's going to open up a separate window. When that does open, I'm going to have to switch the screen so you can see it. So let me go ahead and do that for you. And share that code generator screen so you can see what it looks like. This is our basic screen for that code generator that we just downloaded. Now I want to skip over to the Google Drive, because the next step is to copy the location of our audio file so that we can put it into the code generator. So we're going to flip back. So back here on the Google Drive, I click my drive icon. And once that gets loaded with all my folders, I'm going to find my folder that has the QR code for training. And I'm going to open up that folder. Now, if you followed my directions and went ahead and loaded up all your MP3 files, you will have a whole list here. What I recommend is just do it one by one into the QR generator. So the first thing you're going to do is go on your first file, which is Mr. Duck Means Business. You're going to highlight it and then right-click. Slide down to where it says Get Shareable Link. Click on that. And it automatically copies it to your clipboard. So you don't have to copy at this point. It's ready to go. So now let me just switch over to our other screen. That's the code generator. And I'll show you where to put that clipboard item that you just had. When you open up your generator, it's on free text. We're not doing free text. We want our URL. That's the address that our audio file is at. Our cursor's already there. I'm going to use a Control-V, and that plops in that very, very long address. Now, there's this little box down here that says shorten URL. You probably want to use that because it makes this image less busy on the QR code. So watch when I click on here. If you watch this image right here, I'm going to click. It's going to shorten the address, and it kind of makes it less busy, is the best words I can say for the code. Now you actually have this code. If you would pick up your phone and like scan this code right now, it's going to take you to that audio file. if I haven't deleted it. I might leave it up for a while so you guys can just practice and see how it works. Now, on this image, I'm going to put my cursor. Right click, it says Save Image As. Click on that. And you can see I already saved it once. I forgot to delete it. But basically, I'll just call it number 2. Let's just do that. If you don't have a file already made for this, I like to put them in with my pictures. So went ahead and made a folder for QR codes. Open that folder up. And then it says download. Well, of course, we don't want it to say download. We want Mr. Duck Means Business. I'm going to put a 2. And it's saving it in a PNG format. So I'm going to hit save. And now it's saved. So you just go back through each and every one of your MP3s to generate that code. Once that code has been generated for all of your MP3s and you've stuck it in that same file, then you can use the program like Word with an Avery label template and add the image and add the title. I am going to try to make a video for that as well because I saw that on the Facebook feed. Some people wanted to know how to do the labels as well. So I will do a video to show you those steps. If you already know how to do that, okay, you should have everything that you need. But of course, if you have questions, just comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching these videos and I hope this helps you. It is a nice time to do, it's summer, so it's a nice time to do a big project like this. And thanks again for watching. Bye.